Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. If you have not, then please subscribe it. So guys, I tried to make an ornithopter. While making it, I have realized that there is one tricky portion and slight difficult also. It's called quick shaft. Yes guys, it is very important portion of ornithopter. So thought to make a video on it and like to share it with you all so you guys can also understand that how we can make it in a very easy way. So let's see guys. First I want to show you QuickSharp that I have made. Yes guys, this is QuickSharp and this portion of QuickSharp will go into the body of the ornithopter. It will work like this. I am going to keep it here. So guys, how we can make our QuickSharp? First we have to draw 5 centimeter square on the blank paper like this. I have also bifurcated the areas right, left, back and front. You guys can see I have kept two mark here of 0.5 centimeter. This measurement I have kept for wire 3 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 0.5 centimeter, 1 centimeter and rest portion of the wire. So guys, these all will help us to make our QuickSharp. To make QuickSharp, first we have to take aluminum wire of 7 centimeter. I have already cut it, you guys can see. First we have to leave it 3 centimeter. Make a mark on the wire like this. And hold it from inside of that mark. You guys can see mark here and bend the wire to downside at 90 degree. Here we have to keep in mind that whenever we are going to bend the wire, it need to be at 90 degree like this. Now again we have to leave it 1 centimeter. Hold it tightly like this. And bend it to downside in the opposite direction of the first one. It will look like Z, not this Z. Now again we have to leave it 0.5 centimeter. You guys can see. Hold it like this. And bend the wire to upside. Once it will done, keep it on the square. You guys can see that its tail portion going in the right direction. Now again we have to leave it 1 centimeter. hold it tightly and bend the wire to downside. Once you will bend it, again keep it on the square. Now its tail portion going in the back direction. Like this. This is its top view, so you can get more idea. Once this is done, our crankshaft is almost ready. You guys can see it's working. Now I have to make its hook portion. For that, first we have to leave its 1.5 centimeter. This 1 centimeter and 0.5 centimeter. Mark it first. Once it will done, bend the wire to downside. To make our hook, we have to bend wire twicely to upside, like this. Yes guys, our hook is ready now. Once we will done with this, keep it on the square like this to check whether we have done all things correctly or not. You can see below portion of the crankshaft, this one we have to bend, slide inside of the square. It need to be 0.3 centimeter. Yes guys, we have to bend it so it will look like this. You can see it from this angle. I have bent it, and if you will check this angle, you can understand that we have to bend it to at least 10 to 20 degree. Once this will done, our crankshaft is ready. So have you guys realized that we have made it without any confusion and in a very simple and easy way. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. So guys, I have shared one link in below description box. Go there, check it. You will get more idea about ornithopter. Try it at your home, share your experience. So for now, bye, take care.